Picture this, transforming your idle hours into a wealth of opportunities. Here's why a side hustle isn't just about the extra cash, but a gateway to a richer life. Firstly, a side hustle means more income, enabling you to indulge in life's pleasures without overcommitting financially. It can also serve as your creative playground, breaking the monotony of a regular 9-to-5. Next, consider it as a financial safety net, diversifying your income streams and ensuring you're not left high and dry during unexpected job crises. Struggling with debt, a side hustle can help accelerate repayment, paving the way to financial freedom. Life is unpredictable, but a side hustle can fortify your emergency fund, cushioning against sudden financial shocks. And let's not forget, a side hustle can expand your network, offering learning and growth opportunities through diverse interactions. So you see, a side hustle is more than just an income boost. It's a pathway to financial security, personal growth, and enriched life experiences. For more insights on turning passions into profit, subscribe to Business Idea Guide. Stay ahead, stay informed, and make your business dreams come true.